Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving into how to choose the right hand tools for your projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned pro, having the right tools makes all the difference. Let's get started. Durability and material quality. Choose tools made from high-quality materials that can withstand the rigors of construction work. Look for products with warranties and proven track records. Ergonomics. Consider the comfort and usability of a tool. Ergonomic designs reduce fatigue and the likelihood of repetitive strain injuries. Task specificity. Tailor your tool selection to the specific demands of your projects. For example, if you frequently work on demolition, prioritize heavy-duty tools designed for that purpose. Budget. While investing in high-quality tools might seem costly up front, they offer better performance and longevity, ultimately saving you money in the long run. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information on how to choose the right hand tools for your projects, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.